Now, this video is about scientific conception of work. Means in with respect to science, what is work? What can we say that work is done? Okay, in science. It's okay. So now like okay, if you push a pebble laying on the surface, the pebble moves to a distance. Okay, okay, the force has been applied on the pebble and the pebble has moved. Therefore, in this situation, the work is done. Okay, when the pebble would not have moved, then the work would not have done. Now, like, suppose a girl pulls a trolley and the trolley moves through a distance. The girl has exerted a force on the trolley and it is displaced. Therefore, work is done. It's okay. So, displacement has a lot of meaning. Means whenever a force is applied, there must be a displacement on the body on which the force is applied. Now, like I suppose if we lift a book and I keep it on my head. In this case, also the work has been done here because the okay the book has been picked up by me and has been put on and has been put it on my head. So the book has moved to my head. So the work is done here now. So now, in any conditions that I have discussed now, like here, so when there is a displacement, the work is done. It is here now. Okay. Next, a bullock is pulling a cart. The cart moves. There is a force on the cart, and the cart has moved. Okay. In this case, also the work has been done. Okay. Yes. So work done by a constant force is measured by force into displacement. So work done is measured by force into displacement. So W is equal to F into S. F into S it is. Thus the work done by force acting on an object is equal to the magnitude of the force. Magnitude of the force multiplied by the distance moved in the direction of force. So work has only magnitude and no direction, and that is why work is a scalar quantity. So okay. So work is a scalar quantity. So how do we measure work? So we measure work by multiplying displacement in meter with the force in Newton. It's okay. So the unit of work done, SI unit of work done is force meter. Force meter. F in force means Newton meter it is. Okay? Newton meter it is. Newton meter. Or this Newton meter is also known as joule. Joule. Joule it is known as. Joule it is. So okay. So how to define joule? So 1 joule of work is done on an object when a force of 1 Newton moves the object through 1 meter. Then 1 joule of work is done. So okay. So this is the definition of joule. So 1 joule of work is done when a force of 1 Newton moves an object through a distance of 1 meter. So that is 1 joule work is done. So okay, so this is all about the force. This work it is here, and this force may be the force may acting on an object will move the object in the direction of the force, or may not move in the direction of the force, may also move in some opposite direction. So that we will discuss later on. So a work can be positive, work can be negative, and no work can be done. So three situations are there in which work is positive, work is negative, and the work is zero. It's okay, right?